7101, more commonly known as Bear, was enjoying his new life on the island of Solo. He always enjoyed rolling along the country, and he got on well with the ancients on the island of Solo. Well, mostly. On one of these days, Gordon had went to the mainland, so Sir Toppet had to find a new express engine. He chose Bear. Bear was very excited, much to James's dismay. Later that day, Bear was waiting at Nafford station for Diesel to shun the express. He waited patiently for the Diesel to arrive.
The train now arriving at platform 3.
Thank you, Diesel. I really appreciate it.
Service the station.
You're welcome,
The
Bear.
train at platform 4 is not stopping. Please back.
Finally, it was time to depart, and the big Diesel left the station. Bear made good time with the express. His only problem, however, was breaking the station. Whoops! Since Bear never got to take fast train expresses, he never got used to breaking near stations, which caused him to make a lot of mistakes. His brakes would come on and it would overshoot the platform. One mistake came after another, and Bear was getting really cross. Later that night, Bear was upset. So Toppenhead says that I've been late all day. He says I won't be able to pull the express until I learn. Bear was upset. He just backed down towards his shed and went to sleep. The next morning, James was at Nafford station. He got the chance to pull the express and I was waiting patiently for Rosie to bring it to the platform.
It's only fitting for a splendid engine to take such an important passenger train.
Use James.
What with the red coach?
Oh, well, one of the coaches needed repair, so this was the closest coach.
Ah, yes, a splendid coach for a splendid engine like me.
Whatever you say, James.
Soon James backed down towards the express. He was coupled up and ready to go. Full steam ahead, James. Soon the train left the station and onto the mainland. Meanwhile at Wellsworth, Bear was still upset over the incident. Bogo, who was nearby, decided to cheer him up. He rolled slowly towards him. You know, Bear, the first time I pulled the express, it really wasn't that easy as I thought. I constantly made mistakes, overshooting the platform, But you know what? What? That helped me learn from my mistakes. And now, I have more experience than ever. I know you can do it. Things take their time. I know you can still redeem yourself if you know you can do it. That made Bear smile a bit. Meanwhile, James was struggling up the hill. The coaches were heavy, and the train was draining him back. Then, there was trouble. The coupling between the red coach and the first coach snapped. The coaches came running down the hill. Bear saw the coaches coming, and without thinking it twice, he sprinted to action. Bear, what are you doing? But Bear was gone. The coaches came running down the main line. The passengers were afraid. Hold on! Yelled Bear as he came rocketing down Crosby. Soon Bear came to a stop at Ellsbridge Yard. The passengers cheered. Bear had stopped the Runaway Express. Soon James came running back.
Is everyone alright?
Yes, James. Everything's alright.
Thank goodness. Bear, were you splitting when stopping the train? I'm sorry if I was ever rude to you.
That's alright, James. I am glad the passengers are safe. Bungo soon came by and finished the express run. James, meanwhile, took Bear back home. He had a lot to think about.